All right, guys, welcome back to Plan Simple Projects. I'm gonna include some additional photos, but I wasn't gonna do this one as a video, but if you ever have a leak with Aqua Guard flooring or with some sort of laminate, if you happen to be so unlucky to have that happen, this is kind of what it looks like to rip it up. So you have to basically remember how it lays down, slides under, comes down, next piece slides under, comes down. And you have to do that in reverse and bring it back out. I have some pictures of trying to basically shift these out. We first have to identify where the good pieces are, and then figure out how you're going to make your removals with the rest of these pieces. So anyway, it is a beast. It is really a beast. It's not a fun process, but it just takes time and kind of painstaking. But just carefully remove each of these pieces here with like a chisel, and then if you can get them to pop out, that works too. So, and then once you get the pop out, it has a tendency of sliding better out when these pieces here slide this way to make the pops out. So anyway, I'll show you as it goes along.